Let's get it indeed. Absolutely love to see it. Nigeria and New York in the building. Wizkid FC in the building, and everyone as well that's voting for Vibes Cartel. So,
I don't like the way they regard this Wizkid FC.
Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So, guys, in this video, talking about the beef between Wizkid FC and Burna Boy, guys. So, if the first time you're seeing this channel, I'd like to kindly hit the subscribe button. Like if you enjoyed this video. Guys, days back, Burna Boy got an interview saying that because we no longer teach histories in our school, that's no reason we have forgotten ourselves. So there was one Wizkid FC fan who came out to blast Burna Boy saying he went abroad to sign a slavery deal. So this stuff got Burna Boy feeling very, very uncomfortable. So recently, Wizkid got an interview saying that we lack teaching histories in our school. That's the main reason we have forgotten where we came from. So Burna Boy came out because of this Wizkid interview saying that I said this before, but you guys are always dragging me, you delusional Wizkid FC fans. So right now I'm still here to hear from Wizkid. So comment your opinion in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed this video.